Well, potentially one good thing that perhaps people who are patients in Dunedin Hospital were hoping was going to come from the earthquakes this week was maybe Compass's food was going to get halted on the way down. Maybe food was going to have to be supplied locally because that Compass food that so many patients have told us so many lovely things about wasn't going to make it through the earthquake zone. Unfortunately for patients, it seems that there's quite a big backlog, I should say, of Compass food within the Dunedin region to keep supplying the hospital for now. In fact, from the Southern District Health Board, Chris Fleming said this: Compass holds a number of weeks of stock locally to ensure business continuity. If in the future there is any potential interruption to the food supply, Compass will notify us immediately. So not only is the food pretty average, as we've heard, and there's been lots of complaints about it, look at this delightful image behind us, but it's stored away for weeks on end before it goes to the patients. So patients might have been going, yes, maybe we'll get a piece of chicken cooked locally. No, sorry, Compass has got all their food backlogged.
Yeah, State Highway 1, the closure of part of it has not affected the food supply, and as you say, there's a backlog of it there. So it looks like people at Dunedin Hospital and around the rest of the hospitals the Compass supply have to put up with that. Going forward, Pat, there's no end of supply, it would appear.
Because I was hoping that maybe Jamie Oliver would turn up and do one of those programs where they can show how you can cook better locally sourced and made food, more healthily for you.
That's a good idea, actually.
But we've got 2 weeks of it, so that's not going to happen.
Yeah, I know, but you see, the thing that could happen as well, we've got a lot of celebrity chefs floating around the place, haven't we? Because I saw Josh Emmett at the Dunedin Craft Beer and Food Festival the other day. He was giving cooking classes. And, maybe you could do something like that. In fact, you should get hold of him, and this is what should happen. He comes in and shows them how to cook quality, gourmet-style food at very low cost, and that can be kept for ages, 2 weeks at least, more even.
There you go. So there we go. Sorry, patients at Dunedin Hospital, there's plenty of food left over from Compass. You're not going to get anything lovely, locally made and produced anytime soon.